Next, no overhead costs are incurred. You don't incur overhead costs. You don't need to pay rent. You don't need to do all these things that requires you paying double. To get your graphic design business started, there are no costs associated with overhead, storage, packaging, etc. This will save you a lot of time and money. It will save you a whole lot of time and money as long as you are starting small. I believe this video is for those of us that are starting small. We are just trying to start out a graphic designing business. If you take this step, it becomes, you realize that you don't have to buy machines. You don't have to invest in several things. All you need is your knowledge of a graphic designer. Next thing is meaningful business connections. You never know who you would meet as a graphic designer. This could be the start of an incredible business opportunity for you. Next one says high margin. The gross margin for your graphic design business are typically around 50%, which is considerably high and allows you to grow your business and manage costs effectively. Another one says quick build time. So the average time it takes to build your product is quick, typically around 6 to 10 months. This will allow you bring your product to the market faster as compared to other businesses where you have to go through a whole lot of processes before you can start. You can decide to start a graphic designing business today. You can decide to start a graphic business in the next 1 week. You can choose a business name today and start doing your graphics tomorrow, as long as you have the right knowledge. With this, we've come to the end of this video, and I would see you in the next class. Thank you very much.